The YouTube landscape has evolved far beyond the days when individual creators could upload anything and have their videos seen by a huge number of people. Today, the competition on YouTube is at an all-time high. If you start a YouTube channel now, chances are you'll be competing against well-established creators who have dedicated professionals or even specialized teams handling every aspect of content creation, from video idea generation and scripting to thumbnail creation, video editing, optimization, and more. As an individual creator with little experience and perhaps limited resources to hire professionals, you'll likely find yourself managing everything on your own. This can quickly lead to burnout or significantly slow your progress. And this is where Taja AI comes in. Taja AI is a highly advanced AI assistant designed for small businesses and solopreneurs, but as an individual creator, this tool is perfect for you. With Taja AI, all you have to do is set up your camera, shoot your video, upload it to your channel, and let this AI tool handle the heavy lifting. This powerful tool analyzes your video content and data, writes the most effective title, generates an optimized video description, creates a high-quality thumbnail, selects the most relevant keywords and tags, and after all that, extracts and edits viral short-form content from your long-form video. In this video, I'll show you exactly how this AI tool works and how you can maximize all its features. To get started, use the links in the video description to visit the Taja AI website and sign up for a free trial account. I've already signed up, and here I am on my homepage. To begin, you can either upload a video directly from your computer or import an existing video from YouTube, Google Drive, Dropbox, Facebook, or Microsoft OneDrive. I'll start by heading over to my YouTube channel and copying the link to one of my most recent videos. I'll paste the link into this text box and click on Start. As you can see, the AI immediately begins analyzing the content, extracting all necessary details and data. Here's an overview of the optimized video content. On the left, you'll find the current YouTube thumbnail preview, and on the right, a suggested title, an optimized video description, and relevant keywords and tags. Below this section, you'll see a list of optimized video titles ranked by SEO score from highest to lowest. On the left, there's a preview of how these titles would appear on YouTube's browse feed. Directly below is the description section, where you can preview, edit, or regenerate the AI-generated description if needed. Here are the suggested tags for the YouTube video, each with an SEO score. You also have the option to regenerate or receive new tag suggestions. The next section is the video transcript. Every word spoken in the video is transcribed and displayed here. My favorite section is the YouTube thumbnail generator. In my opinion, this is the best AI-powered thumbnail generator I've come across. If you need a thumbnail for your video, the AI analyzes the style, content, and theme of your channel and produces a thumbnail that matches your brand. There are two options: a fully AI-generated thumbnail or the option to extract faces from your video for thumbnail creation. Click on Generate, and within seconds, multiple thumbnails will be available. Trust me, you'll appreciate the quality of these AI-generated thumbnails when compared to those created manually or with standard AI image generators. Additionally, you can edit the generated thumbnails by tweaking elements and adding text. If you're not satisfied with any of them, you can simply regenerate until you find one you like. As mentioned earlier, you can also add faces from your video to the thumbnail. Here are some of the results. Another standout feature of this AI tool is its ability to extract short-form content from your long-form video, making it easier to repurpose your content across multiple platforms. As you can see, this is the long-form video I have already uploaded for optimization. After a few minutes, the AI software prepares short clips for you by extracting key portions of the original video. Here you can see the title or caption for the YouTube short, along with a description, tags, and a video preview. This is another video clip, and you can also see the SEO score displayed here. You can further edit the YouTube short by trimming the clips, correcting or editing captions for any misspelled words, and adjusting the color, size, font, and other display properties like position. Once everything looks good, you can download the clip and upload it to your channel. Another feature of Taja AI is that it can craft text content for your website or blog, as well as for LinkedIn or X using your videos. Still using the same video, I can select to view repurposed content and then navigate to the text section. Here, I can click to generate a blog post, and while that is being generated, a LinkedIn post crafted from the video is also available. This isn't just a random passage, it's exactly what's contained in the YouTube video. The AI has also generated a thread for X. Now, I'm going to check out the blog post. As you can see, it's a short, relevant passage that condenses the information from the video. You can see how easy it is to use Taja AI to create multiple content for multiple platforms just from a single video content. That's how you use Taja AI to optimize and maximize your content across multiple social media platforms. In terms of pricing, you can get started for as little as $50 monthly. Use the links below to begin boosting your content creation journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.